Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 3, Lesson 13 plus 14. Lesson 13 is 3 Hadith for Munajat and Lesson 14 is 3 Hadith for moral virtues. Okay, our today's topic is Lecture-4 SW3 Class 7 Subject Islam Chapter 3 Lesson 13 plus 14. Lesson 13 is about 3 Hadith for Munajat and Lesson 14 is about 3 Hadith for moral virtues. Term annual lecture number 4. Today's lecture is 4 and SW number 3. Okay, dear students, now we will start our topic 3 Hadith for Munajat. Munajat means to, firstly I will mention this book is your syllabus book and this book's name is Islam and Moral Education class 7. Our today's topic is 3 Hadith for Munajat. Dear students, in these lines, one correction have 3 verses for Munajat in this book, but correct this 3 hadiths for Munajat, not verses, because this is these 3 are not verses of Quran. These 3 are from hadith. So you have to write down here, cross the verses and write down hadiths. 3 hadiths for Munajat. Okay, dear students, our today's topic is 3 hadiths for Munajat, page number 77. Okay, dear students, now we will start our discussion 3 hadiths for Munajat. Munajat means to pray Allah. The greatness of Allah is proved by Munajat. We express our weakness and helplessness to Allah through Munajat. At the same time, we acknowledge the independence, power, kindness, etc. all these qualities of Allah. So Munajat is also a kind of ibadat. By the Munajat, Allah the Almighty pleased with us and He kind with us and forgive our sinful activities with the Munajat. When we do Munajat to the Almighty Allah, Allah will kind us, and when we fall any dilemma or any problems, Allah will help us in that time. So it is very, very important in our daily life. Now we will learn 3 Munajat below. First number hadith about Munajat. Allahumma inni as'aluka al-huda wat-tuqa wal-afafa wal-ghina. This hadith is included in Sahih Muslim. Meaning of this hadith, Allah, I seek hidayat, taqwa, purity from you and seek relief from scarcity. In this line, we have to learn about I seek hidayat. Hidayat means direction to the right path or direction to the straight path. And taqwa means fear of Almighty Allah and purity from you. Purity means from relieve the bad deeds or sinful activities. I seek relief from scarcity. Scarcity means poverty or lack of needy things. Okay, dear students, so meaning of this hadith is Allah, I seek hidayat, taqwa, purity from you and seek relief from scarcity. Okay, hadith number 2. Allahumma gfirli warhamni wahdini wa'afini warzuqni. This hadith is also included in the Sahih Muslim. Meaning of this hadith, Allahumma gfirli warhamni wahdini wa'afini warzuqni. Meaning of this hadith, Allah forgive me, have mercy upon me, keep me safe and provide me with your blessings. Sahih Muslim. Okay, dear students, now we will start hadith number 3 about Munajat. Ya mukallibal qulub, thabbit qalbi ala dinik. Jami Tirmizi. Meaning of this hadith, Allah, you can bring change to our soul. firm on your religion, Islam. This hadith is included in the Jami Tirmizi. Okay, dear students, we will learn these three munajat and their meaning too. And then through this we will pray to Allah the Almighty. Then Allah will be pleased us and help us in the dangerous moment or in the dilemma or in the any problematic situation. Okay, dear students, now we will start three hadiths on moral virtues. Love for mankind and utmost tolerance are two great virtues. Different kind of people live in our society. Among them, without unity and cooperation, no society can develop. So love, kindness, sympathy for mankind is necessary. Islam has really given emphasis on these qualities. We can see a lot of instruction about moral virtues in the hadiths. In this lesson, we will learn three hadiths on love for mankind and utmost tolerance. First number hadith is La yarhamullahu man la yarhamun nas. Meaning of this hadith, Allah is not kind towards him who does not show kindness to the mankind. Sahih Bukhari and Muslim. Okay, this hadith has a lot of teachings because all of the creations of this earth is created by Almighty Allah, and every creations we have to must affection and we have to must kind towards them, because without kindness on the every creation they cannot live with helpfully, they cannot live with peacefully. So we have to must kind all other creations and all the human beings on the society, not only our country but also every countries of the world. We have to show affection and show kindness towards them. Okay, dear students, now we start our hadith number 2. In this hadith, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, La yadkhulul jannata qati'u rihmin. Meaning of this hadith, he who cuts himself off from his kinds will not enter the heaven or will not enter the paradise. Sahih Bukhari and Muslim. Okay, dear students, this hadith's teaching is also very important in our daily life. La yadkhulullahu qati'u rihmin. La yadkhulul jannata qati'u rihmin. If we cut off relation of kingship, we do not enter the paradise. There are a lot of relatives in our life, such as father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, etc. We have to make good relationship with them, and we have to do good relation and good behavior with them, and we have to respect them, those who are elder, and we have to affection them, those who are younger, and we have to give salam, and we have to make good relation with all of the people who are living in the society, who are living in the country. Okay, now we will start our hadith number 3 about the moral virtues. Alaman zalama muahidan aw intaqasahu aw kallafahu fawqa taqatihi aw akhadha minhu shay'an bighayri tibi nafsin fa ana hajizuhu yawmal qiyamati. Abu Dawud. Meaning of this hadith, be aware if anybody does any injustice to any captive or deprives him of his rights or impose any work on him which he is unable to do, or snatches any goods from him forcefully, I will speak for the captive on the day of Qiyamah, on the day of judgment. Okay, dear students, this hadith is very, very important in our daily life, in our society, because there are a lot of people live in our society, such as Muslim, Hinduism, Christian, and Buddhist, etc. Every person are citizen of our country. We have to make affection with them. Those who are Hinduism or Hindu, we have to make affection and make good religion, good behavior with them. We do not do any injustice or any offense with them, and we have to make good relation with them because they are made by from Adam and Hawa alayhi salam. Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, Ya ayyuhan nas, inna khalaqnakum min zakarin wa untha wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qabaila lita'arafu. O mankind, I have created mankind from the only one soul, and then I have created a lot of people by the one souls, who is our Adam and Hawa alayhi salam. So in these verses we know that every man is created by Adam and Hawa alayhi salam. So they are, every person is related with according to their blood. And the other places Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Inna hadhihi ummatun wahida. Verily these people of this earth is from the one mankind, one nations. So we have to must affection on one other people, other religious person, those who are lived in our country. By this way our society become peaceful as like as heaven. Okay, dear students, now I will give HW. Our today's HW is write any two hadith for munazat with meaning. Okay, dear students, I write down here HW3, HW3. Write any two hadith, any two hadith for munazat with meaning. Okay, dear students, this is our today's HW. Write any two hadiths for munazat with meaning. This is 3 hadiths for munazat. You have to write down only 2 hadiths, any 2 hadiths with meaning. Okay, dear students, our online class is very, very important for you because your annual examination will be held basis on online classes. So you have to must take preparation well at your home according to the direction of the online classes. Okay, dear students, and HW is very, very important for you because your CT marks and diary marks and SBA marks, total 25 marks will be given as your performance of HW. So you have to must do HW carefully and submit your HW regularly. Okay, dear students, I hope that understood today's lecture clearly, and you have to practice more and more at your home, avoid by your parents, and see you again very soon inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.